In today's video, we're going to do part 2 of our JoomHelper picnic. I bought their bundle a couple weeks ago, so I'm still checking out what I bought. Hey there, excuse me. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work live stream number 285 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. So work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them, whole bunch of stuff. Hey, lately I've been removing malware off of them. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. As usual, today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for it. While you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And mysites.guru has been instrumental in me removing the malware from those sites I've been working on. One is a site they don't host with me; they just call me when they need some work. And yeah, that was quite an interesting struggle to find out how they were being hacked. The other one was someone that does host with me, and they had left a super user account that they created for a developer to help them years ago, left it open, and somehow that password got guessed, or who knows what happened. Anyway, so we took care of it, and using the audit feature on mysites.guru was really helpful. As you will see here, I still have, whoops, a daisy. That's not what I wanted to show you. No, that's not it either. I guess it's this one here. I did not change the picture this week. Ran out of time in my planning here. And anyway, so we'll stick with the desserts from my wife's birthday party a few weeks ago, and go on with there. Hello to Ivor and to Bjorn in chat there. Ivor, it feels like I haven't seen you for a while. Have you been traveling or on vacation? I got a message from Stefan yesterday on WhatsApp. He sent a picture and of a beach where he was at, and himself, he's in China. Anyways, welcome everybody, and anybody that pops in. Oh, you've been in Thailand for 5 weeks. Okay, great. I think you mentioned that too. So, so you were there for 5 weeks, but now you come back to the snowy Norway. All right, well, let's turn our attention to the screen here, and we will check this out. Now, I am organized from the first part of the first picnic that we did. The order of articles in JoomHelper, extensions, let me just put this here where we're at, changes as JoomHelper updates things. So whatever has the newest release version ends up at the top of the list. So I am super glad that I kept a list of what we did download yesterday, because now I can, 2 weeks ago, because now we can continue on. So let us turn our attention to what's at the top right now, and that is insert articles attributes into another article. And so if you weren't here for the first part of the picnic, you will know that I bought their bundle, JoomHelper's bundle of their extensions. I think it was like $118 US, as we say up here in Canada. And yeah, so there's already, I feel like I've got my money's worth. And anyways, I'm just checking out all of their extensions. It gives you a chance to check them out too. So insert articles attributes into another article. So we'll click on here and let us go down and see. Your website is a list of articles and they are linked together. However, these links can be broken when you update the aliases for these articles. Moreover, the titles can also be changed, which causes the links to return 404 errors. Use this plugin to insert article attributes such as title, link, image. You'll no longer have to worry about this problem. The links, titles, and attributes be automatically updated if they are edited. All right, so let me just go down here on my other screen here, and I'm going to download let's see here. Thank you. My wife is just bringing me a little bit of breakfast. So that is very nice. Thank you, Susan. Let's see. This is JoomHelper. I'm just looking. I just have to save this into the proper place. And there we go. It's saved. So let's install this. We'll go to System, Install Extensions. I have it up here. Put that in here. Great. And now we will go to some content. Let's go to an article that will show up on the front page of the site. And okay, let's put it in accordion test. Okay, accordion test. And now I'm going to take out this tag from the other one here. So we can go, we put AA, ID of article, and attribute. So let's just see here. I'm going to copy that. And now I'm going to duplicate this so that I can have a list of article IDs to check out here. So we're going to go clear. So that's just that we have ID 51. So let's post this right in here. ID 51. So let's go 51. We'll put the ID there. And the attribute will be, let's do something from their example here. Title. Title. Okay. It looks like it's also, no, I think we just put the number, 51. AA colon 51. Let's just double check this here. Here's an example. AA colon 51. Okay, and then another colon and then title. Let's do title. Title. Let's save that. So we expect when we go to accordion test here, we will see, oh, AA51 title. Okay. Oh, you know what I bet you I didn't do? I bet you I didn't activate that plugin. System, plugins. Paul and Ellen Stalabras. Welcome, Paul and Ellen, or Paul, or Ellen. I think this is your first time on the chat, isn't it? Where are you watching from? I don't recognize that name, although I'm having as I get older, it's harder to keep track of everything. Okay, oh yeah, so I have to publish that plugin. Now we'll do that. There we go. Now, this should change to the title of the article. Accordion test. Very cool. Now, let's look at our list of articles. And we will clear this filter. I'm not even looking at what the title is. I'm going to do 49. I'm going to do 49 next. Let's put 49 in. And we will save that. And refresh 49. Oh, test FAQ. Excellent. Now, the trick is, here's a list of currently supported article attributes. Title, intro text, full text, text. URL, link. Let's see here. Why don't we try changing to, we'll add another one here. We're going to go copy and go Control V. And we'll go link. Save. Refresh. And there we go. Now, actually, okay, so we have an actual link to the article itself, and it used the title. That's pretty good. Now, if we were to look at the code that this opens up, let's just click on here. And we see the URL up here is J5core basic Joomla.com English !view equals article ID equals 49 and test fac category 2. Now, the reason that that's not an SEF URL is because I bet you I don't have a menu item pointing to the uncategorized category here. Let's just change to something that is under menu. 46. Let's go to 46, article 46. And just for fun, I'm going to fix that. Select that, and let's make this in, let's make this really big. Save. And let's go and refresh. Go back. Accordion test. Okay. Accordion test. Yeah. And we save that. Go back one more here to home. Accordion test. Oh, there you go. Welcome to your blog. And there's the big link. Oh, and it still is not an SEF URL. But it's not getting handled by the router. All right. As long as you have your canonical URL set up, that's fine in here. But okay, so that's a handy dandy little plugin that you could put a link to another article. And it's a good reminder, don't copy and paste the URL at the top of something that's SEF, because if you change the structure of the site and the URLs change, your internal links break. Okay. And then image-related attributes are only used if returned if the post uses an image. Yeah, so for instance, let's just try this. Image. Let's just put image in there. Is SEF activated? Yeah, I think it is, Bjorn, because let's go to help. Yeah, it is up top there, so. Okay, so we'll go back to here, article, and let's put an image in there. Let's see what shows up. Oh yeah, it did. It grabbed the image that's in there. Welcome to your blog. Yeah, it grabbed that. Welcome to your blog. It pulled an image from there. I'm not sure how much I would use this one, but it is very interesting to show that what that does. I wonder if you could put something in there that's dynamic, that shows the ID of the next article. That would be cool. You could then down below have a little image showing the image that belongs to the next article. That would be really neat. And just to read this here, image. Return IMG tag with article image. I wonder if that's what's being set or if it's one that's just inside. Alrighty, well, that's a cool one. And keep track of that. All right, so I'm going to just put this on my list over here so that I know that I have done it. Okay, we've done that one. What is next? JoomHelper. Oh, let's go to extensions. We go all the way down here to how do you put a module inside an article? Nope. Joomla question and answer module. We did that. Here's an article. This is just an article about how to put a module inside an article. Okay. Okay, Joomla slideshow extension. We looked at that last week. Security plugin for admins. All right. This is a new one for us. By following the Your Site Administrator link, you can start logging into the admin section. And if you accidentally reveal your account information, an intruder can do anything to your site. This plugin was created to increase the security of the admin section. Even if an intruder knows the login information, they still have to go through one more step to gain access. All right. And this sends a security key to an email address. Now this is probably an older extension for them because this is now one of the methods inside of Joomla for two-factor authentication. But if you were using this on an older Joomla site or that did not have that feature yet, that would work. So let's download the security plugin for admins. I have to find it on the other screen here. Okay, and then I got to remember what it's called. Sometimes in the download page it isn't always clear. I think admin login warning. I wonder if it's that. Security. Maybe, do we have a download link here? No. Oh yeah. If there's this suspicious, if login comes from suspicious IP address, an email will be sent to the administrator. I think I've got that one selected here. So let's go system and install extensions. Admin login warning. I think that's it. And now we'll go to system, plugins. Let's look at the settings. Prevent unauthorized logins to the admin area. Email address. Let's send it to me. Email key. What is the email key? This key. Oh, this key is. Oh, I don't know if this is this it. User add. This might not be what I thought it was. Let me just look over here. The name is not the same on the download page. I'll show you what I'm working on over here. I think that you can see that, right? Yeah, so here is the list where you download things, but it's not in the same order there, and it doesn't always have the same name. So let's see here. I'll go back and we'll check this plugin out. Security code. Oh yeah, there you go. I think we're in the right place. Require security code. Blacklist IPs for logging in. Nice. Okay. This key. All right. So email key. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll enable this. And we're going to go save. And now, if I go to here and log out, And then I go to log in. I can go fill that login in and log in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Now I've done it. Because I can't log into this site now. I'm locked out. All right, well, we know what to do in that case, right? Let me just on my other screen here. Root. Let's go G. Let's see here. Okay, I have to go into the control panel for that account. Okay, here we go. File manager, J5 core, and I'm going to go to configuration.php. It's not the first time I've done this yet. You guys can see my password there, but that's all right. 423. Database 423 here. Now we're going to go to extensions and browse. And let's go to the last ID here, the highest one. And there we go. Now, before I disable this, let's go into configuration again and turn debug into true. And let's go to error reporting maximum. And we'll go save. And now we'll refresh the page. And I wonder if this is a PHP problem or something else. Okay, let's go into ChatGPT, and let's ask, getting this error on a Joomla 5 site, and we'll paste that error, and we'll see what that says. What does ChatGPT say? ChatGPT was really helpful the other day. Last night, helping me get some code, PHP code to embed inside of Joomla. If a string is passed instead of an array, PHP 8 plus will throw a type error. So it looks like this is a PHP 8 issue. All right. Now it tells me how to find it, what to do, but I think basically what we're going to do is, instead of fixing this, we'll just recognize this probably is an older one and it's not working on Joomla 5 maybe, or higher PHP versions. It says it works for 3, 4, and 5. May not be working in PHP. Let me just make a note here, and I will send this to them. I will open up a new notepad here. And send this to them later on. And it's for this plugin here. Control V. All right. But we can see what it would have done here. If that was working. Oh, and down here I could have gotten the name. I'll remember that next time. So unauthorized logins. You can you could whitelist an IP as well. Well, that's nice. So I wonder if I put my IP in there, if that would just let me in when I tried to log in. That's very interesting. But in the meantime, let's go back here and we will disable it. We'll change this 1 here to a 0. And now we can go into here, continue that. And now I'm logged in without my password. Interesting. And let's go System, Manage Extensions, Plugins. We go to the highest ID on the right-hand column here to see the last. We'll go in. I wonder if it was the security code that's an issue. Why don't we just play this around here? Enabled, save, close, user, log out. Let's log in. Oh, it's that code that was sending. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so that was the issue there. The code form.php is where that error was. I'm just looking at the side of my screen here. So there's something about that form that was not working. However, it would think that maybe the other features of this are working. I wonder if I put my warning, prevent unauthorized logins to the admin area. Okay. So you could just whitelist what's allowed to log in. This key is used to perform tasks via email without having to log in. I wonder if I got emailed something here. Oh, interesting. Oh, look at, here's the email that I got 1 minute ago. Someone logged into the back end and it says JoomHelper prevented someone who knows your password from signing in the back end. Well, it didn't. But this lets you know that someone used your password. Cool. Yes, it was me. And then we got success. Okay, so then there's something going on here. All right. It's not spam. And there we go. Okay. And then no would let me secure my account. So, interesting. Let's put that back over here. All right. So I imagine if I put in my IP, I wouldn't get those alerts. And so it's just a security thing here, watching if someone had logged in with my email address here. Let's see, email address. go back here and see. Security codes and login alerts will be sent to this email address. Yeah, I got that. This key is used to perform tasks via email without having to log in. Okay. That's maybe whatever I just got sent to me. Yes, it was me. Okay. IP, all security features disabled with that IP. Security code requires the security code sent to the above email address when a visitor's IP is not whitelisted. Okay. And the IP blacklist, when a user has an IP address in this list, they cannot log into the admin section. Okay. Well, we'll see what they think about that little error there. All right, let's close that. Let's disable that just so it's not there. And we will close this. And we'll leave that article editor open. We'll leave cPanel open. Let's leave all that open. And so therefore, security, let me just take this title here and actually, okay, so we'll remember what that was. I'm going to copy that. Control V. And let's go to the next one. Display the module as a page on Joomla. In some cases, you just want to display the module instead of just inserting it into the available positions of the template. So this could be like modules anywhere from regular labs. Let's see. Joomla 3, 4, and 5. You can display one or more modules from its properties. All right. ID, position of the module, name of the module. After successfully installing the extension, go to Menu Management Main Menu or your menu group, New to get started. In the menu type field, select Module as Page. Switch to the Options tab and add your module and save. Oh, so this creates a menu link to it. Oh. All right, so let's go over here. Display the module as a page. Let's see if I can find the download for that. Where are we here? Okay, options. Maybe I should look at module over here. Module as page. I bet you that's it. And we'll go save. We'll go back here. I'm going to disable this because the security token didn't match. I'm going to go close. System. Install extensions. And we will also install extensions. We'll drag this up here. This is a module. So I don't think that we need to unpublish it. So here's JMP answer questions. So, and it's not a module here. It tells us to go and create a menu item to a certain module. Okay. So let's go to our menu. We'll go to main menu blog, which is at the top of this site. And let's go new. And menu link to, let's go module as a page. As page. Okay. Now we're going to select the type here. We'll go down. There it is. Module as page. Display the module as a page. Cool. All right. Now, if you just want the module, this would be really cool. Using a page builder. Sorry for using the P word for some of you. You could, using Page Builder CK, you could build a very nice module that's used places, but you could just show it on a page if you wanted. Let's see what happens here. Right, so there's the details. We're going to go to options. Oh, do we want to show the module ID, position, or name? Oh, you could load a whole position there. Cool. Remember, the dangerous thing about using a module name when you're as the basis for inserting it or embedding it somewhere is that if you change that module name, that link will no longer work. So let's do the module ID, and oh, you can do multiples. Interesting. So let's do a couple here. Let's go to close this. We'll go system. I know Bjorn always likes me to go the more direct way through content. Let's show 158, 152, and 150. 158, 152, 150. Whoops, I need a column. Oh, why is oh, separated by semicolons. Oh, interesting. 158. One semicolon 2, 158. Semicolon. Oh, I can't. My keyboard is not letting me do any letters or anything. Module ID. All right, let's see. 158. Oh, you think so? 158? No. All right, so I wonder if they've got it blocking characters there, because if I go up here, I can do that. There's some kind of filter on here. All right, so we can't do multiples. Oh, we'll still do 158 then. Intro text. Intro. Oh, I guess if you had content and used read more in a module, you could. So anyways, let's go save. Home dashboard. Oops. Let's go to my Joomla. Way in the far right here, modules page. And that's the map one that we picked. And it is a module just put right in the content area. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, I still have error reporting on here. Something. Oh, these are all deprecated messages here. Let me just go to system, open a new tab, global configuration, system, debugging off, server, none, save, and we'll refresh. I got the map down there already, so that's very neat. But there's no way to put in multiple ones there. That's kind of a neat little utilitarian thing. Oh, copy the semicolon. Good idea. I like that, Bjorn. Modules page. Options. So if I put a semicolon up here, nice. Copy. Control V. Nope. No, it does not want to allow. Oh, we can. Oh, this. Oh, this. Interesting. I can change the. This is a number field, but not a text field because there's a counter up and down here. Look at that. Okay. All right. Well, let's just go in here, make a new one. And this will be, let's copy this here. Might as well make a note while we're here. And do this. Can't put semicolon in for multiple modules. Okay. But that's kind of a neat idea to make it so that you could do a menu item and to just bring up a module. I could definitely see some of the clients that I've done work for that would that are not sure how to embed a module somewhere or put it somewhere might really use this quite a bit. But again, I think one of the things I noticed about the JoomHelper extensions is they are very utilitarian. In the sense that they're sort of like a jackknife or Swiss Army knife. I thought, oh, if I need to do this. Oh, I know what I could do. I will do this. It is interesting because it becomes, if you create that menu link to point to a module, display a module, you could then apply templates to that. Or control other modules that appear with it. So, I mean, if you had this map module and you wanted people to see it in big, but you always had in the right-hand side in other pages, and you wish that they could just go on there and click and it would show up big as that module, then you could create a menu item and then just link to that and have the big page. So yeah, there's uses for it. You could, of course, you could embed that module inside an article. But maybe you don't want to create an article that's got that embedded. Maybe you just want to show what's in the module. So yeah, I can see definitely. What is the associations up here? Load. Oh. Interesting. No, that's still not going to do that. All right. Well, that's one more on our list here. So let me paste this here. Great. Next, down the list, display the module as a page on Joomla. How to upload and attach files to Joomla. That is an article, I'm pretty sure. Let's just check that. Oh, did we? Am I missing something up here? Because this, how do you put a module inside an article? Oh yeah, that's just an article. That's, yeah. But down here, this is an actual extension. How to upload, display the module as a page in Joomla. Yeah, how to upload and attach pages in Joomla. It is an actual extension over here. So let me just... File attachments. All right. File attachments. And we'll go through the whole thing here again. Let's get rid of that one menu item at the bottom here. Bjorn, you're talking about the file extension one? That's saying it's a great extension? Oh, cool. All right. Well, I'm excited to check it out. All right. File attachments. It's a plugin. So we're going to go to the plugins. And we'll go in and look. Okay, so we'll enable it. So you have a place where you can put the folders, okay? Now let's see, do we have, no? Do we have toggle here? No, okay. Restrict uploads, okay. Allowed file types, yeah. Allow guest download of a file, yes. Show download count, show description of file, show extensions of file. Yes. Okay. So that's enabled. Save and close. Now, how does it work? Okay, go to Joomla's article management, and now there is a tab there for attachments. Okay. So if we go here, that's all right. Let's close a few things here. We just don't get too carried away. Content, articles, and accordion test is what we've been looking at. And yeah, I just noticed something. Is this author? Interesting. Is that must be core, right? The author. Is this core in Joomla 5? No, this column author, is it something that we added? Accordion test. All right, so now let's put a file. Let's remove this here. And let's attach a file, and we'll select the file. Okay, now it's giving me a choice to upload one. So why don't I go to, let's go to desktop. And hey, here's a picture here, 4 generations. Let's go open. Okay, so it's uploaded. Nice. And I can insert this file in another article. Oh, okay. All right, so it's in here. So I think if I go save, and now we preview this accordion test. Okay, let's see. I got a lot of stuff in here. Let me just clean this out here. This is something I put in for another site that we had there. Oh, I inserted tag. Okay. So if I do this, insert the syntax attachment :1. Oh, no, I can select that at the top. All right. Go back to the content. Okay, where you want. Content. Here's a file. I put that there. I go save. And I refresh. All right. Makes me wonder, duplicate. Makes me wonder if I plugins, go to the highest there, content file attachments. Okay. Let's see here. Let's read the instructions. For a newly created post, you need to press the Save button to be able to see the Attachments tab. After this, you switch to the Attachments tab to get started. For already existing articles in the article editing form, switch to the Attachments tab to get started. Yeah. By default, files after uploading will be attached to the end of the article. However, you can still change where these attachments are displayed. Oh, I maybe actually just removed that, didn't I? By taking things out. Maybe it was at the end. Okay. Insert the syntax J attachment all. where you want the attachments to be displayed. To insert any file into an article, oh, okay. Oh, click edit, Bjorn says here. Okay. Attachments, edit, 4 generations. Okay, yeah. A picture of 4 generations. All right, we save that. There's that. Okay. Now, oh, no, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Here's the tag right here. It's showing at the bottom. Ah, I got you. Now, all right. So let's just follow the. Okay. Okay. So if I want to, all right. Well, that's pretty cool. Because that just made things available down here, and I can download that image there. That is a cool one. That's nice. And it's got a little description, and it shows the size, and it can be downloaded. If we go to the plugin, allow guest file download, no. So if I go save there and refresh, oh, and you have to sign in. Wow. This is nice. That is nice. All right, so let's just try this. So the restrict uploads would be you will restrict it to the type of files that are here. Okay. So if you wanted to allow PDFs, you would go comma PDF. Gotcha. Download, show download count. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So save. So here we are. Here's the number of downloads that we've had here. Oh, I'm excited about this one. You're right, Bjorn. Such a simple way for people to add things to a post, and then they can just download it. Yeah, tag us for other articles. So yeah, so let's just do this. Let's take attachment 1, control copy and X that out. And now we just need to go save and close. And then we'll go new, another article. Another article. I'm just going to paste this here. Control V. And I need to feature this so it shows up on the home page. We go home. Another article. Yeah, that's not working. But you know what? It might be a case. Okay. What if we just go like this? Attachment all. No. It's possible though that the order of these, that it's out of order. So content file attachments. Let's put the ordering here. Let's put it first. No. Something is interfering with that tag. Not a bad problem though, because it is working in the article. It is working in accordion test, because there it is. But something is stopping the tag from working. And I mean, I got so much stuff installed on this site here too. So attachment all, another article, attachment all, F12. I don't have any errors or anything. I think something is probably beating up on this. But for having for what it does on the page, accordion test, I like that. And you can just download it. Very, very, very cool. But if you're going to use this and put files in somewhere else, it would be nice to get that tag working. So why don't I just make a note about that? No, that's not what I wanted. I want this. And this extension is called file attachments, right? File attachments. Tag not working. All right. But let's go, and so I'll make a little note of this here. File attachments. Okay. But that's a good one. I'm going to unpublish this. Save and close. I like that one. Very simple for just adding a file to something. Like minutes to a meeting, or talk about share some images with someone if they want to get them. Very nice and simple. Okay, what is next? So we looked at how to upload and attach files. Okay, I would just wonder if I missed one up here. TikTok, country blocker. That's an article. No, so let's see more. How to protect an article with a password in Joomla. Sometimes you want to protect an important page with a password. All right, let's see this here. Password. Article password plugin. Save. Close. System. Install extensions. And it's in there. So now I've got plugins. We will go clear. I've got the highest on the right here. Content article password. Restrict post views with a password, a product of JoomHelper. Great. We'll enable that. And now we'll open this in a new tab. Article password plugin. I've got that on my list here. Go to the Manage Plugins section, Content Article Password, enable it. And then we can go into the, okay, and then we go into the articles. Cool. So let's go to components. So content, articles. We'll go down to our accordion test. And now we have a password field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hint, count to 6. Re-enter the password when the user session expires or each time. Now, here we are on the accordion test. We refresh. Press correct password to read post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlock. And there it is. Hey, you know what? That is really nice. Instead of people having to create an account and profile and then log in and go to a link and everything, you can just say to everyone, hey, go to this page, here's the password, you can read the content, or you can download the file. That is very neat. You could send that out in a newsletter. It doesn't have to be totally secure. If you have a group of people to say, yeah, here's where you go, use this password. You can always change the password. But just for a very generic, so it's a low barrier password solution. I like that. I like that. Okay, wow, that is cool. That is a fun one. And each time. So watch, I can go refresh and it remembers it. Or I can go each time. Okay, and there you go, refresh. And now it's like, no, you have to put in the password. Press correct password to read post. It should say enter, but press. Oh, that's really neat. Another example, yeah, like I was saying, how they're just great little utilities. All right, so if we turn that off, should be able to just see this now. There we go. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Very cool. How to protect Joomla with password. Okay, log in as user. This extension allows you to log into user accounts without knowing their password. Okay, Web357 has login as user. I really like it, but let's see what their take is on this. I'm gonna have to go down to the bottom here. Login as okay, so log in as a user, open in a new tab. Let's close this. Let's copy this so I can put it over here. And I have to download it over here. JMP login as user. Save, and you know the drill. We're going to go to articles, close, system, install extensions. Going to go browse. You know, I am having fun doing this. I almost did this last week because I'm really excited to look at these extensions. I really like it, but I didn't want to do back to back to back. Oh, by the way, Mark DeChevre is going to be here on March 5th, first Wednesday in March. He's going to come and he's going to show us. I think it's it's another way to do a payroll. With articles. I've got it written down somewhere. But by the way, if you're watching, don't forget to like the video. Now is a good time to like the video. All right, so log in as user. So we're going to go to plugins, search. Pretty sure I just installed it right. right, well, let's just see. Oh, it's a module. After installing, okay, login as user. After downloading and installing this module on your website, go to Module Manager, JMP, login as user to start. Okay, so we're in the wrong place here. All right, just for you, Bjorn. Login as user. There we go. Okay, let's just read on this here. By default, only administrators can use this feature. If you want to enable this feature to other members, add their IDs. Okay. After turning on the module, you will see it displayed in the front end as shown below. At this time, choose the user you want to log in to start. Now, this user's session is yours. All right, so let's go to the module. You know, I just recently wanted to look at someone at the front end of someone's site as them, because I'm trying to figure out some permissions things. All right, so we're going to go to modules. I'm going to publish this. I'm going to put it in on the sidebar right. All right. And it's on all pages. And we're going to go save. Now, if I am correct, I'm not going to be able to see this. Unless I am logged in. And now let's just see. Sidebar right. It's at the top. Let me refresh here. There's switch editor. Let's read the instructions here. Okay, after turning on the module, see displayed in the front end as shown below. Okay, just make sure that I have this enabled on all pages. Yeah. Sidebar right. Okay, let's just filter these positions here. Sidebar, select type, select position, sidebar right. Let's get rid of some of these modules here. Actions, unpublish. Sort the order. JMP login as user. It's got it. It should be at the top now. All right. Both users is super admin. Oh, that's right too. Good point. Users. Manage the users. This is left over from Maintenance Monday. Basics, they not assign user groups. So let's just do that. Save and close. And refresh. And there it is. Now if I log out, okay, and then if I log in, JMP login as user, yeah. But this plugin helps administrators log in. You will access this information as an external visitor to copy all problems and support users. You can use it for any extension. For example, check orders. In addition, you can also write add reviews, comment as a user you're logging in. This module works with here. After starting and installing this module on your website, go to the Module Manager, JMP login as user to start. By default, only administrators can use this feature. If you want to enable this feature to other members, add their ID to the user field. After turning on the module, you see it displayed in the front end as shown. All right, well, just in case users, man, oh, you know what? I unpublished this on Maintenance Monday. That's what I did. Look, there's no, whoops, the daisy. When I did my Maintenance Monday video, I unpublished this one here. Okay, so now if I refresh, JMP login as user is there, but still no member. Edit module special menu. All right, so let me just show you what's going on here. I have to get into OBS here. Down behind me here. Let me get rid of myself here. Down in the bottom here, there is a little button which says login as user. All right, if I click on that, I can search. I can go find. And I need this, probably an ID. Let's go 787, or we're going to look for DEV. All right, we're getting somewhere. Now it is showing up here. If I log out and go home, still does not show. All right, so anyways, we're getting close here. So I log into here. JMP login as user, that's up there, but that's okay because I've got that, it shows that it's there. So if I go back to, let's make a new user here. Tim Davis, Bitwarden generated password, Control V, at cybersalt.com. And it's a registered user. And we're just, okay, so that's great. And we go save and close. All right, now we've got a user there. Now if we go to here and refresh, login as user, it's still not giving me an option down in the bottom. Let's go back to the system and content, site modules, on all pages. All right, so I think we've got everything set up here. Unless I'm supposed to put in, let's just try this. 787. Save that. Okay. Oh, maybe I need to do this. Users. Let's put 785 in there. Save. Log in as user. Refresh. No, unless, no, that is not. Okay. Well, I'll make a little note for him. Log in as user. Log in as user. No users showing. That would be cool for the front end, but obviously that is not there. Now, if I go modules, what if I don't have this in a position? Does that affect this? Oh yeah, it doesn't even exist. All right. Well. All right, so promising on that needs a little bit of understanding or something. Obviously, clicking this, it should open up this. It's compatible with J5 backwards compatibility plugin. Okay. Let's just see. Yeah, we've got it on there. All right, well, we will see what's going on there. But that's okay. I got the bundle, so we're good. Login as user. Off-canvas module in Joomla. That sounds cool. We'll open this in a new tab. Control copy. And let me just paste that down here. And let's see, off canvas, I downloaded over here. Save there. Rinse, lather, repeat. System. Install extensions. Off canvas. And it's a module. So we will go to System, Manage Modules, Site Modules. I guess we have to make a new module. After installing the module, go to Module Manager, New, Off Canvas. Fill in your content in the offside content field. To insert modules into it, within content, this plugin loads a module by ID, or module by position, or module by name. Now let's set the remaining parameters. Okay, and you've got demo video here, but so we're going to go to modules, and we're going to go to new, And let's go looking for off canvas. So we'll filter for OFF. I'm off canvas. Okay. Direction, left. Overlay, yes. Close button, yes. Close background, offside, yeah. Offside content. Custom CSS. Here is some content to show offside. All right. All right, we got this. We'll leave it in the sidebar right. Let's just see here. Fill in your content. To insert modules, you can load a module ID. Okay. And or position. Okay. How to use field. How to use field. Let's see. After you do that, add class OBTN169 to element or button to trigger offside show. For example, oh, okay. So I think we put that in the content. Okay. So if we put that there, and this is okay. Oh, but here instead of putting the name in, we're going to go load module ID. Okay, fill in. Oh, here, let's watch this video here. Kind of small, yeah. Okay, we're going to create it. Offline, yeah. Background color, sure. Yeah, we're doing that. It's kind of tiny, I realize, but I'm just going to do the same thing here. Offside width, yeah. Put in your content. Uh-huh. You're going to put in an image there. Good. Load module ID 1. And you're going to put a position. Okay. Okay, here comes the part we're worrying about. Copy the class. Now we're going to go to main menu, add a menu item. Select system links, URL. Oh, okay, losing me here, but oh. Link class in the menu item. Okay. Go to here, change the directions, yes. Change the color, yeah, we gotcha. Refresh. And now it's green at the side, okay. Okay. So, all right, so we've got this module here. Add class to the element or button to trigger the offside. So I think Okay. All right, let's try a couple things here. That's what Watch Me Work's all about, right? Let's just make sure that, yeah, okay. So let's first of all go to our content and articles, and we'll go to accordion test. And let's view the div, let's view the code here. Let's go Control V and save. Now we have a offside toggle button. Okay. So now if we preview this page, somehow we get NAS privacy here. I agree. Wow, okay, save. So let's go Cassiopeia. And let's go to accordion test. Oh, there, okay. So it worked on that button. It worked on that button. And we can hit X and close that. Now that's interesting. So I made this module. Oh, and look at this. Class OBTN 169. That's the ID of the module. Nice. All right, so if I go save and save as a copy, oh, then the class becomes OBTN 170. I can enable publish this, and here's some more. We're going to go copy. All right. And then go save and close. Oh, let's do this. Let's go to the button code here. And let's put in button class 170. Save. Oh, that's so now let's do this. Let's go into here, and let's make the direction from the right. And that's always, let's go with some orangeness here. Save. So now when I go to accordion test, I'm going to go. Okay, so let's just see here. Articles. Did I save that? Okay, I've got two. Watch. So if I click this one, it'll come in from the left. If I click this one, it comes in from a right, a totally different one. Neat. Neat. And we can change the width of this, right? Offside width. Let's make this 500. So that's that one. This is really cool. You could have, yeah, multiple modules off-site working off of a button. And of course, you could assign these modules to only appear at certain things, because I'm sure somewhere there's in the code here, watch, view page source, F3, offside. Yeah, so here's a file, offside toggle, but up here, there's some CSS down here. There's that. And here's the content. So if you have these modules loading every time, they will show up in the content. So you could do menu assignment to where different side ones show. But I think that is very cool. Just to quickly put something to the offside here. I mean, you could now let's try the link. Let's do the link. Close. Menu. Main menu blog. Modules page. Oh, okay. We're at the end. Okay, so we're gonna go new. Offside. Offside. And no, I don't remember what he did in his little video here, so let's see here. Modules, offside, all pages, he's got that set. So it's gone to main menu, add a new item, select the system link. He did a URL, and then he put the link attribute, he just put a hash. Okay. So let's go system URL, put a hash in there. Okay, and then the link class, we'll put OBTN 170. I think that's what he did. We go save. And I'll go to the page. Here it is up here at the top right. And there you go. You pop that in. You could put a contact form in there. People go contact, it pops over. They can fill it out right away. They don't have to go to a new page. Nice. I was not expecting that one. Now look, I click outside to close that, or I can hit X. Left, right, overlay, yes. Close button, yes. Close label, yeah. Background, offside width. And custom CSS that you want to add onto there. Cool. All right, so off canvas module. Good. That's close a few things here. We'll just get rid of the source here. We'll close a few things here. We've got that open. And we'll close that. We'll close that. Okay. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 the last time. And we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll just see what else we can do here. Off canvas module. All right, so off canvas module in Joomla. Joomla touch slide logo module. I think I'm gonna like this one too. TOUCH. Here we go. I'm gonna download it over here. All right, system, install extensions. Grab that touch slider, system, site modules, new, touch logo slider, and logo slider. All right, now it looks like we're going to put in the path to our slides, the width, the height, slides per view, autoplay, delay, pagination, navigation, yeah, mouse wheel, lazy loading, loop, say yes, the effect, let's go cards, responsive, yes. All right, we can set that. Custom CSS. Okay, so we're going to assign this to question mark TP equals 1. Let's assign it to top A. Okay. Top A. Okay, now we need some images. Let's go to our media manager. We'll do the headers. All right. So in here, we can go here, get link. Yeah, get that link. Okay, copy it. And let's get this link, get link. Copy it, and we'll get link, get link, copy it. All right, so now over here, I'm going to paste that, and then I'm going to paste that, and then I'm going to paste that. And it wanted just the images to show the path to the images. So I won't use the full URL here. But this is just a way to figure out where and menu assignment on all pages, save. I'm going to log out here just to get rid of these things here. Oh, look at that. Now, let's go into some of our settings here. Delay, autoplay, yes, pagination, slides per view, let's go 3. And that was as cards. All right, let's go save, refresh. Now, oh, okay. So basically, I'm scrolling with my middle wheel right now through these. But if I go out and we wait 5 seconds, it should just change. Now, why is it not so far over there? Let's try a different, let's see, we've got slides per view. Let's try 1. Yeah, I think they're too large. Oh, I wonder. Let's do this. Images. / logo. I better read the instructions. Let's see the demo first of all. What are we trying to get to? Okay, here we are. Okay. Here's the cards effect. Oh, so the cards effect just shows off in one little side like they're stacked. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the cover flow. Oh, I need images. Now, something the images are not showing. I don't think it's necessarily because it's too big. I wonder if this needs to be // // No. Yeah, Bjorn says too large. Each logo is a line. Hello, Yusuf. Good to have you on here today. Width and height. Increase the width. Do we have width here? Okay, sure. Let's make the width 500. How about that? Now, enable response. Okay, so in module settings, the most important field is sliders. Each logo is a line. The URL to the logo, the URL dash option, title dash option. So we don't necessarily need to have that. It's got images / logo. Oh, yeah. Images / logo dash 4. Let's turn off responsive. Change slide preview. Slides per view. Okay, let's try 3. Okay, Yusuf, we'll give that a try. Oh, there we go. Ah. All right, that's just showing 1. And of course, now let's make the height 300. Okay. Well, that made this height. Okay, so if I go the logo height of 600, that makes the slider higher, but the files themselves are being put in like that. Okay. So let's go to all right, definitely okay. All right. Custom CSS. So let's go autoplay no. Let's go 3. And let's go save. And let's have the height, let's do 300. Save. Width 1200. Okay, we can do that. And we'll refresh, see what we get here. Okay. Definitely those are a lot bigger. Let's go F12. Let's take a look at one of these images here. Logo item, height 100%. Width. And this image is 7. Oh, this is only 180. You think width is a pro item? Well, I've got all the. Yeah, this is. I've got the pro one here. Pretty sure. Although there are some things not showing. Let's see here. Okay, so not responsive. Yeah, because there's only 2 effects here. Because where it shows over here, cards effect, navigation, pagination. And that's where I can download this here. That's where the things are. So not the same actions that are here. We've got cards and cover flow effect. Oh, let's do this here. Cover flow. Let's go with default. Maybe I got too fancy. Let's refresh. Ah, there we go. Default. And it's showing it as squares. Ah, okay. So we can go default. We can show the navigation, show the pagination, and we can go save. And now we can refresh. Okay, and then you get the logos square and it's cropping them. Yeah, and yeah, and so, and I'm just, yeah, so you would want to use, yeah, right, Yusuf. I've just put in some images there, but you would want to use logos that are in a square image. And then they would just sort through. Okay. So that means too then that this logo description okay, URL option. So that if they click on it, they can get the let me get the syntax here. So a pipe and then logo.html. So I think that we can put links on there. So if I do this, a pipe and then a link, pipe and then a link. Let's try that on the first one. Let's put a pipe, and that is the shift of the backslash. Yeah, backslash. And let's go HTTPS www.cybersalt.com. Save. Yeah, okay, and now it will open up the site. Okay. And then you can put a description. Logo 1. Logo 1. Let's try that. Pipe. Logo. Description. That's on the third one. Okay, I did that wrong. The next one is looking for a URL, so that's why you put in a hash and then another pipe. Oh, when you mouse over that. Mercedes, Netflix, Shopify, Tesla. Maybe I should have a space there. Let's put a dash. Save. Okay, there's something trying to show there, but it's not showing up. Let's inspect that. Let's go here. Color is the logo slider caption. Okay. Font size 2. Just changing this behind me here. Oh, look at that. It's way off to the side. Oh, that might be because of the size of this image. Okay, it is there. I'm just not using square images. That's right. All right, so there we go. We've got words back there, but this is okay. That's because the logo width. Let's say the logos are let's go with 150, and let's change that. Okay, refresh. Okay, there you go. Now, of course, I've got them skinny, and it's putting these in here. So there, this just calls for a little bit more playing around in here. Because if I do this 150 and go here and refresh. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure why those are so tiny, but it's 27 by. There's the height. And there's the logo down to 20. I wonder if this is because I used something else already and it's caching. I don't know. Height, width, div class. There might be a lot of padding in there. So padding 15%. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a little bit of CSS that we can do here. That's got them the width. Okay. Padding is 15%. Interesting. So I do that, I get that. Okay, and that makes sense because that's the width that we have selected for them. So then I should be able to do 0% on the padding down here. Hope you can see that behind me. Now we'll go here and we're going to go down to custom CSS and just put that in here. iLogo padding. I put that 0%. That's what I just copied behind me. Save. And now we go and refresh. Ah, that's in there. Great. And now the logo width, let's go 300. Save. And refresh. Oh, okay. All right. I get it. And of course, as Yusuf has pointed out, if I use square images or I use actual logos, I will get what I want. And so in fact, what is the height here? 300 by 150. Obviously, there's still some padding happening there. Let's see here. What's happening? Or maybe it's just because it's because of the dimensions, because it's showing the whole thing. Use all your logos in the same dimension and you will find what will work. All right, well, that's good. To get the hang of that, it can be very nice just for putting in for logos. That can be very challenging. So I like that. I'm gonna give that a thumb up, 2 thumbs up. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was a long one. Let's see. Okay, K2 to content migration. I don't have a K2 site to convert here, but this is a nice one to have access to. It will import all K2 articles and intro image, all K2 categories, all K2 tags, all K2 extra fields, and attachments. It requires the plugin installation file attachments, which we just looked at. And then it will import. So if you've got if you have a K2 site and you want to move the content from K2 into Joomla core, then that's your extension. All right, good for that one. And what else have we got down here? Let's close some tabs here. Restrict username name field for Joomla. Let's do this one as the last one for today. Restrict. Okay, so first of all, K2 was one over here. Oh yeah, and they've got a K2 to content migration pro here. Let's just check back here. Okay, so there's a pro version for moving more than 7,000 articles. So this one does under 7,000, this one does more. All right, so I want to download the pro version just so that I have it. Okay, and now the next one that we're doing is restrict username, RES, restrict username. Okay, so now we're going to go into here, system, manage, install extensions, and we will go here. And that's a plugin. So you can go system, plugins, clear the filter. Okay, so nice. So you have to have minimum length 5 characters, maximum length, that's probably unlimited, Deny characters. Apply for name field. Yes. Oh, you know what? You know what? This is really cool because, you know, a lot of bots, when they create spam accounts, they will just use the email address for the username or for the field name, the name field. So that's nice. So let's save this. Now, first of all, I'm curious to see if it will restrict it in the back end here. So let's go users, manage. Let's go new. Let's go Tim. Tim at cybersalt.com. And let's go Tim at cybersalt.com. All right, let's go Bitwarden, generate password, Control V, at cybersalt.com. And let's go save. Ah, you cannot use the following characters for a username. All right, so that's the for a username. Nice. So username, let's just say my username is me. Now it should block the name as well. Save. Has to be at least 5 characters. Yeah. Save. And you can't use these. Oh, that is really nice. Make people pick good usernames and forbid character. I don't think there's anything in core like that, is there? Let's go to close that. Let's here we go. Users, manage, options, allow username, yeah, send password, yeah, email, domains, yeah, password options, yeah, but not, no, there's not, system, plugin. So we're going to end on a strong one because that will prevent. That's just another way. Oh, and you know what? Oh my goodness. Yeah, very useful, Bjorn. Because I was thinking, you could put Russian characters in the in here, and that would just be an even other layer against bots. If you're having problems with Russian character stuff like that. Yes, 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 yes. Rudiger, good to see you. You got here just before we're leaving. Congratulations on putting out a new version of your extension, Rudiger. I hope you're well. All right. Well, that's another 9 that we've looked at from JoomHelper. Few things to contact the developer about, but yeah, but just refreshing what we did. Restrict username, very cool. Off canvas module, that's a fun one. Article, protect the article with a password, yeah, good. Attaching files, yes. And yeah, that was really that's fun to see. Nice. Well, that was enjoyable. I'm already excited to look at more. I'm not even going to look. I'm not even going to look. But we will pick it up from there. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for joining me again today. And I wish we could all sit down together and enjoy some of those desserts. This cake up there in the top left. That was very nice. So like I said, Mark DeChevre next. I can tell you right now too what he's going to be talking about. It is let's see. It's the easiest way to put in place a dynamic payment system in Joomla by combining Convert Forms and SmilePack by Tassos. So a dynamic payment system. He's going to show that. That's going to be on March the 5th. March the 5th. Yes. So in 3 weeks. So I'm going to try to refrain from, maybe in 2 weeks we'll come back here and look at more extensions. And I'll try to find something different for next week. Who knows what will come up. We'll see. But with that, I think we'll wrap it up there. 1:16. Ooh, boy. Yeah. I am going to a Chamber of Commerce meeting tonight at an appliance store, and they've already said they always give away something at the chamber meetings and the business that's hosting. And they're giving away $3,300 washer and dryer sets. So I like going and seeing everyone anyways, but I saw that and I got in on it. So I am, I don't know, maybe we'll win a new washer and dryer. Anyways. All right, let me find the right button here and the button for the sad music. There we go. Everybody, thanks for hanging out with me today, and thanks for contributing, and thanks for the help along the way. As usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, evening, afternoon, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.